Up, one more poll.
Ja, onomas. Dream Healer, damn right.
I'm not stunky. I'm also a DPS.
But you never shower.
I have showered this morning.
It actually made.
You didn't shop before raid?
You need use soap at least. That's why he's the goat.
The goat.
Oh!
Man.
I've been mean to him. It's Cop. It's been nice to Cop month, come on.
My fucking
Just
ex,
for a month?
Yeah.
my ex's dad used to call me a goat.
Spread.
You can extend it by being cool, you know?
Oh, hell yeah. Spread.
Yeah. Lovely jubbly.
Bitch.
Sorry.
Oh, good.
What did you do?
I was not casting, I was holding.
I know.
Did you rescue?
Yeah.
I grabbed the twink fanboy.
Yo.
I can resist.
Spicy.
Out.
Let's go!
Let's
That
go.
terrified me for a second.
Yeah, it was a tight pattern. Tusen. Oh!
Bitte?
Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, she should be super dead, right?
Yep.
Yeah, she's super dead. Nice. Get close.
No.
Get close.
Oh, for Ashley Seed.
I did.
No, she's
You
too
are
cool.
correct. No, I did DC. For a second, I was like,
She's
ah,
just too cool.
You're back, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm back. Yeah, I'm back.
Okay, cool.
Oh,
He's
That's
so
cool.
back. Remember the pot?
Whoop, started.
Oh fuck! I ran into a fucking puddle. Oh,
I'll be. That's enough. Mitts. Mitt me, I got
sorry.
another one. Paladin Wings. Okay, cool. I don't know the time for store here.
Black lesbian, yay!
Yeah.
She's so cool. Look at her. Oh my god.
Bye bye HP. Oh!
God. Oh,
Make sure the
God.
methods.
Okay, so I had 10 seconds.
I don't fucking remember where I need to stand.
People boom.
That was a good last pull.
Frog!
Let me
We made
let me
it.
see.